Good morning, friends. Today I am going to discuss a paragraph on environment pollution. पैराग्राफ जो इन्वायरमेंट पोल्यूशन पे है ये काफ़ी बार पेपर्स में आया हुआ है, तो आज हम वही पैराग्राफ करने जा रहे हैं. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट. Pollution has become a great health hazard to all of us. Air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, noise pollution are some of the many types of pollution. The problem is assuming monstrous proportions. The capital of our country stands on the fourth rank in environmental pollution. So environmental pollution includes all the pollutions. It includes air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, noise pollution. Here our atmosphere is polluted by various factors like smoke, noise, dust, rubbish, chemicals and garbage, etc. The environment pollution has taken the whole country in its grip. Air pollution caused by the noxious outdoors, fumes, smell, poisonous gases, etc. emitted by big industrial plants and factories which manufactures chemicals, manures and fertilizers, etc. Sound pollution is caused by the use of loudspeakers with high-pitched amplifiers. The loudspeakers not only damage our eardrums but also in the long run shorten our lifespan. Deforestation is another cause of environmental pollution which has taken a heavy toll of life and health. The menace of environmental pollution being a matter of concern. It requires effective preventive measures to minimize its ills. Indiscriminate deforestation should be stopped. Industry should be required to discharge their toxic products in river or elsewhere after duly chemically treating them. The use of loudspeakers with high-pitched amplifiers should be strictly controlled by legislation. Throwing fleet and washing of dirty clothes in river by washermen and the disposal of dead bodies of human beings and animals in rivers are the acts which can stop by public cooperation alone. So in this paragraph, environmental pollution, you have to discuss the whole pollutions, air pollution, water pollution, noise pollutions, everything. This is an important paragraph. So you students, you should go to this paragraph so that you people can able to discuss this paragraph and understand this paragraph. An important paragraph which comes in your papers. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hope you have gone through this paragraph and understand it. Thank you. Have a nice day.